Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting your material and deciding clip length. Acetate or thin plastic gives flexibility while metal offers strength. Once chosen, mark the center line and clip outline with a fine marker so you cut accurately. You use a small saw or hobby rotary cutter to make the basic shape, then drill 2 small holes for the hinge and bar. This sets the foundation, so take your time to keep lines straight and edges even for a smooth final clip. Once the outline exists, you file both sides to symmetry. Small asymmetries cause poor tension and slipping. Make gradual passes and frequently compare left to right, because consistent shaping controls clip function. Sand through 180, then 320, then 400 grit so the surface feels smooth and won't snag hair. After sanding, form the hinge region and install the spring or bar. Then test the open/close action to confirm. You finish by polishing and adding protective tips so the clip is comfortable and hair safe. A bit of silicone or tubing at contact points improves grip and prevents breakage. Once assembled, test the clip through several hairstyles to ensure hold and comfort. If the clip slips or gaps form, tighten or rebend the hinge slightly and refile the mating surfaces, because correct pressure and aligned contact points are why clips stay put instead of sliding out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.